Hello, everyone. I'm back again, and my grandson is helping me with this video. He's doing an awesome job. Um, but I have these beautiful vanilla butter cupcakes that I did for an order, and I have fuchsia, forest green, and caramel on top. The colors, basically, of the icing. And these are delicious. I'm about to deliver them to one of my customers, and I just wanted to share it with you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be uploading videos on a regular basis now. Um, I had to, get some things in order, but I appreciate each and every one of you for watching and for supporting my channel. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Again, thank you.